By listening to this episode, Investing in Large Language Models, LLMs, you will be fully familiar with the potential of LLMs and a step-by-step guide to investing in the future of technology. Welcome to Got In Early, a podcast about investing in financial markets such as cryptocurrency, the forex, and the stock market. In this episode, we will be discussing large language models, commonly known as LLMs. They have been creating a buzz in the world of artificial intelligence due to their transformative potential. LLMs are based on natural language processing, a branch of AI that focuses on enabling machines to process and understand human language. These models are capable of analyzing language at a much deeper level than traditional NLP models, allowing them to understand context, sentiment, and even humor. This capability has the potential to transform various industries by enabling machines to communicate more naturally with humans and process vast amounts of data in a short amount of time. LLMs have been used in various applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, language translation, content creation, and even drug discovery. The significance of LLMs lies in their ability to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer experience across various industries, including healthcare, finance, and marketing. As the demand for LLMs continues to grow, investing in this technology could be a lucrative opportunity for investors. The market for LLMs is rapidly expanding and is projected to reach $34.3 billion by 2026. The key players in the industry include tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon, as well as startups like OpenAI and Hugging Face. The growth of LLMs is being driven by their potential to offer significant returns and transform industries, making them an attractive investment opportunity for investors looking to capitalize on the latest advancements in AI technology. To make informed decisions about investing in LLMs, it's essential to understand the technology behind them. LLMs use deep learning techniques to analyze large volumes of text data and generate language that resembles human communication. These models are trained on vast amounts of text data, such as books, articles, and web pages, which enables them to understand language patterns and nuances. This training process involves feeding the model with text data and adjusting its parameters to minimize errors in generating language. One of the key features that sets LLMs apart from traditional NLP models is their ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant text that resembles human communication. This is achieved by using an attention mechanism that allows the model to focus on specific words or phrases in the input text, enabling it to generate more relevant and coherent responses. Another important aspect of LLMs is their ability to understand context and sentiment, allowing them to generate language that conveys emotions and nuances. This is achieved through the use of pre-trained language models that have been fine-tuned on specific tasks, such as sentiment analysis or text classification. By leveraging pre-trained models, LLMs can achieve high levels of accuracy and efficiency in a variety of applications. Before investing in LLMs, there are several factors that investors should consider. One of the primary factors to consider is the company or companies behind the LLM technology. Investors should evaluate the track record of the company and assess their ability to bring LLMs to market successfully. Investors should also consider the competition and evaluate how the company's LLM technology stacks up against competing solutions in the market. Another factor to consider is the potential for regulatory and ethical issues. As LLMs become more widespread, there is a risk that they could be used for malicious purposes or perpetuate discriminatory practices. Investors should evaluate the regulatory landscape and ensure that the companies they are considering investing in are operating ethically and in compliance with applicable laws and regulations. Investors should also evaluate the potential use cases for LLMs and assess the market demand for these solutions. LLMs have the potential to transform various industries, including healthcare, finance, and customer service, among others. Investors should evaluate the potential impact of LLMs on these industries and assess the market demand for LLM-based solutions. In the end, we hope that by listening to this podcast you will be fully immersed in what you are looking for. You can help us improve by sharing this podcast, which is published in Adas Investment Magazine, and help optimize it by submitting your comments.